Once again, I'm going to show you how to add an extra widening, for instance, for a bus stop. So firstly, let me hide this. Let me hide this object. So you see, I have an alignment. I'm going to offset it about 3 meters, no matter. Let me use 3.5 here and 3.5. Widening. Yes. Then okay. You see, simply you see simply I have the alignment here. This is alignment here. So you see here I have the offset alignment. So I come and select my offset alignment. Then I go to add the widening. You see, they are showing me create widening portion as a new alignment. I may choose yes or no. Let me choose yes so that I will show you where. So they are telling me to select the station. You see, I'm going to select, for instance, this station. Let me select here, and the end will be like here. Then I press enter, specify the side, the left or right. I choose right. Then enter. Then enter. And let me choose here and here. Choose enter. You see, already it is here. This is my widening. So as you see, there is transition length of 25 meter. When they talk about transition length, is the distance from this corner to the distance from this corner. This. So curve radius, let me choose to put uh, let me choose to put uh, let me choose to put 4 meters. You see, 4 meters here, 4, and my transition let me like 10 meters here, 10 meters. So you see, you may change also the length up to, for instance, let me choose 5. Let me choose 25 meters. Yeah, this may be because Yeah, you see when here you can change up to 10 meters, whatever you want. So this is an extra widening, for instance, for a bus stop. Yeah, you can now do like this. So after having things looking like this, you may choose, let me put a corridor so that to help you now. You see, this is an alignment, but the corridor is still there outside. So what to do? You can select the corridor and go to corridor properties. Then you go to parameters and assembly. Here you go to target. So you see, it is many things you can know. You can know, but by changing here, for instance, here it is, for instance, with this target on lane super elevation. Here with this target on lane super elevation, you can come here, you go simply, let me choose to make a region here in order to help me. Yeah, let me use regions so that it may help me to do so. Now I choose regional properties, then I click here. You see there is target here, and according to here, there is with this target on right. I choose here, then I come to search this, then enter, then add. Okay, then okay, okay. You see, it is like I'm done. Thank you for watching this, and please subscribe to this channel for more civil 3D skills.